what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P Fire, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of nice bit of kit that you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around camera, come in shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. So let's do it. Guys, I'm back in. Oh, Jesus Christ, did I make it? I made it, guys. Boom. You already see what it is. I told you orange is the color of the moment. So let me just give you a little close up right there. You know what I mean? Little 12 to the RJ to the 12. Let me step back so you can see what we're doing, and let's get into it. Alright, let's start where we like to start, the length. You can see this is a nice, there's my waist right there. This drops down. I think this is in a large. And yeah, guys, this today, what we have here is a Stone Island orange jumper. It's a Stone Island orange jumper, and then for the eagle eye amongst you, you would have noticed that the badge is a little bit different. That's right, we got a little shadow project, but we shall get into that. So let me step back and we'll get into the piece, and then you can see what I've run. As you can see, like I said, the length is right there, you know what I mean? Very nice. This is a nice little loose fit. Let's start at the cuff edges. So left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, a nice little bit of cuffage right there. You know, you can put your hand in if you need to. I don't know why you do it, but again, if you're trying to do the old dancage, you know, and you want to sort of keep your arms warm, do that, but don't stretch out your cuff edges, you know what I'm saying? Super nice. As you can see, very thick cuff right there, ribbed, very nice. I say ribbed, it's not really ribbed, it's just got a nice bit of sewing there, as you can see. And there you see the piping going across. I'll just give you that survey. I said survey of the piping, that's right, survey of the piping, that's what she said. Ha, pause, haha, that's not even a pause. But alright guys, what am I saying? Not much, but you can see this piece is super nice. It's light, but it's kind of warm, do you know what I mean? And it's just, yeah, it's a beautiful resplendent orange. Now if you look down here at the arm bits, at the side seams, you can see there's some little bit of ventilation going on there. Gives you a nice bit of breathability, which is always nice to see in a jumper, because obviously jumpers, they stay quite warm, but this gives you some breathability and allows you to be cool in those summer months like today. As you can see here, we've got that nice bit of ribbed mesh right there, so that again, once again, you get that nice bit of breathability. Let me just step back so you can see, you get that nice bit of breathability on the mesh. Of course, Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, you got the same thing right there, kind of like your nan's favorite crocheting weekend. She's sewn this for you, giving you it over, and you've actually worn it, because finally she's actually giving you a cool piece. That's what she's done. Boom. Let me step back. Boom. As you can see, I'll give you a little twirl large. Very nice. Now if we come to the old neck, you can see it's a nice round neck right there, splendid in the same color, orange. Of course it would be, it's not a two-tone thing, is it? It's just one color. So yeah, gorgeous, lovely, sexy, feels very soft to the touch. Not terry cloth, just your nice normal premium jumper feel. Looking at that, guys, looking at that, special in all its specialness. This is a shadow project badge, and as you can see, all black everything, you like Jay-Z said. Boom, very nice. Close up on that, people, close up on that. Oh my god, guys, this piece is just super dope. There's not really much to it, but let me take it off so you can see the inners. Please bear with me. Okay, I'm going to turn it inside out just so you can see. Now look at that, you got that nice little, I don't know, it's just it's very soft. It's kind of like your soft quality premium face towel. You know, you just got out of the shower, you're wiping your face down with that quality face towel. That's what that feels like. Of course, as you can see right there, you got your labeling as you do, and you've got your Stone Island Shadow Project label right there. And of course, with your Shadow Projects, you always get that super dope. What else do we have here? Of course, you got extra literature, you know, your CERTI logo, etc. You've got a little button right there, which is for your spare badge. I'm sure that's a spare badge holder. Of course, as you can see at the bottom, you've got these nice little adjustable bits which run through the body of the jumper, so that will allow you to taper if you need to. And once again, you've got your insignia identifying it as a Shadow Project piece. Guys, it's a super nice piece, man. I'm just going to put it back on and we can have a cheeky little look. I love it when a plan comes together. Of course, let me just give you a bit of the back there. You see you've got that nice little panel up top. Super nice. The quality on this is amazing. Of course, I picked this up from the Stone Island outlet shop, and once again, a beautiful price. You know what I mean? I don't know how much these cost on the normal, but I got this for a tidy price. Guys, just give you a little twirl out here once again. Really dope. Guys, not really much else to say other than I love this colour at the moment. You know, the burnt orange, or I forget what Stone Islands are calling their latest orange colour. I'll put it down there. But yeah, this is part of that colour range, I would say. Guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your boy P Fire, aka P is for perfectly sunny day, and this has been Once We Are Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. Guys, as usual, please like, comment, subscribe, share, do the necessary. And guys, we are, by the time you see this, we would have been past 300 videos. So I mean, shit, it's giveaway time if you watch the 300 video. And yeah, make sure you're involved, make sure you get involved, because I'm going to give away a few things. Not one thing, not two things, not three things, a few things. So guys, stay dope, stay fly. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.